In the meantime, Revlon is looking to coax investors to trade in their bonds at a steep discount or risk losing their value entirely. Leslie Picker joins us right now with the details. And Leslie, this is a pretty hairy situation.
It is. And Becky, you know the saying, putting lipstick on a pig? Well, in some ways, that's what Revlon is trying to do with this bond exchange in order to stave off a debt crunch. Investors don't really seem to be budging, though. The 88-year-old cosmetics company offered $325 in cash for every $1,000 worth of notes tendered within the next 2 days. The cash payment declines after that until next Tuesday's deadline. This exchange is for the 5.75% senior notes due in 2021. The situation, though, it appears dire. Revlon says that without 95% participation from bondholders, most of the company's debt will accelerate and become payable next month, in which case the bonds could be worth next to nothing. Given the company's, quote, very weak financial performance, Moody's does not believe Revlon has sufficient liquidity to repay or refinance the notes if this exchange does not go through. Now, the trouble stems largely from the pandemic. Few people are opting for much makeup under their masks, especially from what's seen as a staid brand. The pressure has sent Revlon's stock down 73% this year and its bonds into distressed territory. Now, the company is majority owned by billionaire Ron Perlman, who has famously been selling townhomes, yachts, and even some of his art collection as of late, guys.
Yeah, Leslie, we were talking about that in the last hour. It kind of raises new questions. At the time, those around Perlman had said he was doing it because he just wanted to simplify his life. But maybe this is a more direct reason.
Right. Well, it's unclear. We don't know exactly what his exposure looks like aside from the equity. There's a theory, and based on news reports, that he has debt coming due at his holding companies, McAndrews and Forbes. No one really knows how much or how the various complexities lie. But you're right. He told Vanity Fair that the reason for selling off all of these various assets is because he wanted a simpler life. I mean, who could argue with that?
Yeah. Look, I get it myself in the middle of the pandemic, wanting a simpler life. But having debt like this due and having your company be in a situation like that might explain a lot of the fire sale that we've seen take place. Leslie, thank you. It's good to see you.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.